Hello, welcome to my new video. This is my jig for cutting sheet metal in straight lines with this small grinder. I already have video on my channel. If you want to see how this jig is made, then please go to my channel and look for the video, or you can simply click on the link at the end of this video. Today I want to show you how can we use this same jig and this small grinder to create one nice small polishing wheel. Okay, we are ready to start. First thing, we are going to pull out this cutting disc. There is a stop button at the back. This is our attachment for polishing. It's a very simple plastic disc, 115 millimeters, maximum RPM 12,500. We are going to go much lower than this. I have already applied polishing paste to this disc. Mounting is very simple. Done. Okay, so before we start working, we need to fasten this jig to the table. It is very simple, with small clamps. First clamp I'm going to put on this place. Please pay attention, I tighten the rotating handle. So on this way the jig is fixed to the table. And second clamp is going at the back. That's it. Before we start working with our polishing wheel, I want to show you one last thing. That is the speed dial. I will use the lowest setting, 1, and the grinder that I use is Bosch.